Hello there. Today I'm going to talk about a very simple machine that a lot of people are talking about, the spin brush. And however, they're not giving you the contraindications on who should not use this little machine. I will talk also about the benefits, there's 6 major benefits, and the difference between the handheld and also the professional one. So let's get started right now. Very quickly, my name is Maria from Vancouver, Canada, and as usual, thank you for my subscribers. You are the soul and heart of this channel. For the people that do not know me, well, I do a lot of tutorials on skincare, on nutrition, different machinery. Some are controversial. If you do not agree, it's okay. Put comments below and let's agree to disagree. So this tutorial is going to be about this machine called a spin brush, and a lot of individuals are talking about it and how good it is, and it is on certain type of skin types. So I'm going to go through some of the contraindications on who should not use this machine. I usually don't sponsor any devices or machinery, but this little machine called the Radiance Spin Care System, it's a cute little handheld, and they are going to give you, if you buy it, 70% off. The link is below, so why not? I said, you know what, if my subscribers can get that amount off, wow, amazing. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about the pros and cons of this one and the pros and cons of the professional one, and also about the contraindications. The contraindication on the spin machine, there's quite a few of them, so let's go through some of them. One of them is if you have any form of sores. So if you have herpes or anything that is open, herpes, why? Well, because if you have that, it is a virus. You're going to spread it all over the place. That is not a good thing. The next one is if you have blemishes. So if you have papules and pustules, because you're going to irritate them, and you are going to cause more those inflammation and bacteria to go all over your face, so you do not want to do it. However, if you have blemishes here but you don't have anything on your nose, you could use the brush in that area, like on your forehead and your nose and maybe on your neck. But where you have blemishes, no. If you have rosacea, and I do have a tutorial on rosacea. I do have a tutorial on blemishes, so please look at those ones. If you have rosacea, that is a combination of papules and pustules and broken capillaries. No, you cannot do brushes on that skin condition. If you have cuprose, which cuprose is a mild case of rosacea, you have to do it very, very lightly. So those are some of the contraindications on who should not use the spin brush. So this little spin brush has 4 different brushes. So it has one that is very soft. Then it has a second one that is a little bit harder. It has a pumice stone, which I'm going to talk about this one too. And then it has a body brush. The positive thing about this cute little machine is that you can take it anywhere. It's small. You can take it traveling, and also you can have it in the shower. That is the positive thing. These little brushes, bristles, please, after you use them, you have to wash them with soap and water. If you have any disinfectant, and if you don't have anything, even alcohol, to disinfect the bristle, because you don't want the growth of pathogenic bacteria in the little bristle. I like the body, because while you're in the shower, you can desquamate or remove the dead skin of your body. So it has a lot of positive. The negative about this is that I don't like battery. Because batteries are very expensive. However, you cannot bring the professional the professional machine that is plugged into the current socket in the shower. So this, it is the positive thing about this little machine. The pumice stone, which is like a little stone, you can see that, okay? It is used more for the callus area. So on your foot, you can turn this on while your skin is still soft. You came out of the shower, and you can use the pumice stone onto the callus and bunions and the areas that are hard skin that you want to remove. So it's a little bit harder, which is really a positive thing to have. Very quickly, the steps that you do is very simple. You want to have a clean skin, you put a cleanser on, and then with either this or whatever brush you want to use, this one here, you might want to use a body wash. And then you apply the cleanser and you just spin around. I want to talk a little bit before going to the benefits about the professional. The professional has usually a harder, heavier handheld, a wire like this, and it's attached onto the machine. And the brushes, they have more variety. These brushes are a little bit stiffer. Some of them are stiffer, better quality, of course. It's a more of a professional machine. And you put it in. Now, the benefits of this is that it rotates one way and the other way. It is a stronger machine. It's a more professional. If you are an esthetician, you want to use this. And has like some very bristles are a little bit stiffer. Okay, it has more desquamation properties. So the benefits of this is that it's more of a professional machine. It has a different level of stiffness of different bristles, and of course, myself as a professional, I would want to use this in a spa. However, this cute little thing, I'm taking it with me when I travel and in the shower. I'm going to talk about the benefits. Of course, when you're using a spin brush, look at this big one here, and it's a little bit stiffer, you are going to get a better cleanse, or if you're using on your face, versus using just your hand or a facial cloth. Because the bristles goes a little bit deeper. Some of the bristles might go into your pore or ostia, and it cleans out all the dirt. Before you use this and you have a lot of makeup, I would advise you to remove your makeup first, and then you add a little bit more of the cleanser, and then you use your bristle machine. The bristle also helps with the desquamation or the removal of dead skin. Our skin desquamates, or we have a cellular turnover of 28 days, plus or minus a day. If you're older, of course, it takes a little bit longer. A younger person, a little bit faster. But the spin brush also helps with the removal and the stimulation of the dead skin. The exfoliation is very important to keep the skin healthy and young. So the spin brush, it is one way of doing it. Of course, there's different ways of exfoliation. It could be with chemical peels or scrubs. So this is another way of cleaning and removing the dead skin. And by removing the dead skin, it gives an illusion of the pore becoming smaller. Another benefit of the spin brush or any brushes, it is the stimulation of the blood circulation. So that's why I always say dry brushing is also very good. So you can use this and do it throughout your body. And by doing skin brushing, not only you're removing that dead skin off the surface of your body and the skin feels nice and smooth, but you're also stimulating the blood circulation. And by stimulating the blood circulation, guess what? You're nourishing the skin from within. So if the blood circulation is being stimulated, the lymphatic system will also be stimulated. The purpose of the lymphatic system is to eliminate the toxins in the body. So the cellular waste is delivered to the blood circulation, and in turn the blood will eliminate all the impurities of the skin. And the last benefit if you have removed all the dead skin, you did dry brushing, and you stimulated the blood circulation and the lymphatic system is all pumped up, guess what? Your body and your skin is prepped and ready for the different types of products, serums, ampules that you want to put onto your skin, and your body will absorb that product much faster. What will it be? The handheld, which has its own positives and negatives, or will it be the professional, sturdy brush machine, which has its own positive and negatives? For traveling, this is amazing. For the shower, this is amazing. I just don't like the batteries. However, with this one here, it's amazing. It's professional, but I cannot take it with me traveling, and also I cannot take this one in the shower. So they both have different positives and different negatives, but both machines are very amazing and you know the benefits. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Give me comments below. Let me know what you think, and I will talk with you very, very soon.